Hello everybody, I'm back. My third attempt to make this video to make beans and cornbread on this new griddle. Not used to it. Stove wasn't level. Grease run to the front, grease run to one side. Tried to make these things, turned out a flop. So I stirred up some cornmeal water. Added some soup beans. I'm going to try to cook them on this grill. Soup beans and cornbread. Fried cornbread with your soup beans already in it. So let's see how this comes out. So there you have it. I do good in my iron skillet. If I was using my iron skillet, which is right there, it would do good. This is a new grill for me. I just bought this griddle today. It's flat on one side, made like a griddle on the other side with raised ridges on the other side. So I can flip it over and use it on both sides. So that's beans and cornbread. Fried cornbread with the beans already in it. Had both burners going. Cut the right side off, but it's getting too hot. I gotta get used to this griddle. It's my first time using it. Too hot. So I'll get it over in the middle. It's a little bit cooler. That burner's working right here. It's on. This one's off. So I got medium heat here in the middle. I know that. Put it back over on some heat. So I may make a video and fry the rest of my cornbread and beans in this skillet right here. I have good luck with that skillet. It's a Lodge brand skillet, and this griddle is generic, but it's cast iron. Bump it up a little. I think it's going out on me again. Nope, it's burning. It's burning. It just takes a while. This grill is, you get what you pay for. This skillet is Lodge brand. The griddle is Ozark Trail from Walmart. Go figure. Now, I could have got a griddle from Walmart, Lodge brand name, $49. You get what you pay for. This one was $19. Actually, it was $9. Might work out. That's browning up pretty good. So I'm trying out my new griddle. Just bought it. I'm going to shred up some potatoes in a grater and make some fried hash brown potatoes with onion, cheese, egg poured over them. I'm going to try one more spoonful. I may have used that grill long enough to where it has uniform heat. I don't know. They're spreading out there pretty good. I like them to stay in one spot. They give us in round rings and have a round ring you lay down and put them in. I like stuff to be neat. I don't like stuff to be spread out like that. I'm not satisfied with the way it's coming out. I think I'm getting this griddle seasoned because it's smoking. I think I'm getting it seasoned out. It's going to be the last one I cook on this griddle. Kind of done with that. I got on a folding table here. It's not level. I've had to put wood and stuff on it, trying to get it level, and the grease ain't laying level. The griddle needs to be level. And I ain't having no luck. It might be okay to eat. Anyway, that was a short video of me trying out my new griddle, trying to make beans and cornbread. I think it was a failure myself. I may put this up on online for people to watch. I think it was a failure. I don't like the way it turned out. I'll be back with something else. See y'all.